Hi guys! Welcome sa Sip9. In this video ay mag-share ako sa inyo ng isang book, no? I think this is one of my promises before. Sabi ko mag-share ako ng mga libro na nabasa ko na, books that I own, and this is one of those videos, no? This is the first of our series on book sharing, no? At ang share ko sa inyo ngayon ay yung Art of Problem Solving. This is a very popular book abroad, no? Hindi ko lang alam kung alam niyo ito, but this is one of those books, no, na pwede yung basahin kung kayo ay sasali sa math competitions, no. Basic ito, no, hindi ito yung mga pang-Olympiad level. This is for the math challenge, no. Siguro pwede sa MTOP Math Challenge, pwede yung gamitin ito, no. So the title is Art of Problem Solving, Volume 1. The basics and the authors are Sandor Lihotzky and Richard Ruskzik or Ruskzik. I don't know how to pronounce it, kung ano tamang pronunciation. So it's I don't know ilang pages ba ito. Yan natin, no. So 272 pages, no. 272 pages. And kung gusto niyo pwede nating tignan yung kung ano ba siya. Medyo luma na to guys, no? I bought this several years ago directly from the US, no. Hindi ako pumunta ng US, no, but I had my friend buy it for me, and pwede natin tignan yung table of contents, no. So sa table of contents, no, makikita ninyo na yan. So we have chapter 1, exponents and logarithms, complex numbers, no, tapos nandyan yung linear equations, proportions using integers, no, quadratic equations. And we have quadratics, factorizations. So ayun, dinifferentiate niya yung integers, rationals, irrationals, complex, and beyond. So I think these are about the numbers. Tapos meron din siyang angles, triangles, quadrilaterals. And let's check. So mukhang marami ito, no? Merong polygons, areas, power of coordinates, power of a point, no? Three-dimensional geometry. So meron siyang transformations. So and lastly, no? Miss yata natin yung kabila. We have functions, no, and meron siyang inequalities, operations, and relations, sequences and series. And I think sa huli ay meron siyang permutations and combinations, tapos may sets and proofs, I think, no. So nabasa ko na itong book na ito, no, hindi ko naman siya natapos, but I tried some of the problems, and madadali naman yung mga problems niya, at meron ding mga medyo mahihirap, no. So I guess I'll silipin natin yung mga problems, no. Yan, so pwede nyo i-pause yung video. Okay, so by the way, available ito online guys, no. So you don't need to buy this, no. You don't need to buy the hard copy. Kailangan na marunong kayo maghanap, no. Available na ito sa mga websites, no. In fact, sa mga FB groups, meron ng mga nag-upload nitong Art of Problem Solving, no. So ang wala lang nito, ang problema ng book na to, this is a very good book at the discussions are really deep, and I think yung pinaka negative lang dito ay wala siyang answer key, no. So kailangan bumili kayo ng solutions manual, no. Siguro ilalagay ko yung yung link sa baba nung kung saan niyo siya mabibili. I think nagde-deliver na yung Amazon sa Pilipinas, so aantayin niyo nga lang siya ng medyo matagal, 1 to 2 months. So yan. So I also have a solutions manual, no. I have a solutions manual here. So nandiyan yung mga sagot syempre at solutions. So how many? Ngayon, kung magkano to, I'm not sure. Hindi ko na maalala. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'll have to check to sa internet. Give me a minute. Okay, so tingnan natin, no? I think nasa $60 ata yan. So kung titignan nyo, pwede nyo tignan sa website niya, yung artofproblemsolving.com. And kung titignan natin sa bookstore, basics, tignan natin. Okay, so yung volume 1, no, ay $45 siya. So mga 2,000 mahigit, no. And if you want I'm not sure, separate pa yata ang kanyang separate pa yung kanyang solutions manual. So ibig sabihin, gagastos kayo ng mga hindi naman, mga 3,000 to 4,000 pesos to buy the book, no? So worth it naman siya. But again, hindi ko kailangang bilhin, no? Yung libro mismo, siguro kailangan yung bilhin yung solutions manual kasi meron na yan online. Again, you have to look where, no? You have to know where to look para makakuha kayo ng copy. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay makatulong ito sa inyo, yung book na ito, para sa inyong pagsali sa math competitions. See you! By the way, bago ako mag-end, subscribe kayo sa channel natin, no, sa youtube.com/user/it9ph, and pwede nyo rin i-share sa friends niyo. See you!